In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your Yahoo Mail signature. This quick and easy process will allow you to personalize your emails or add a professional touch by including a logo or personal photo. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to have the image ready that you plan to use in your signature. This could be a simple headshot, a business logo, or any other graphic that best represents who you are or the work you do. With your image ready to go, the first step is to copy it to your clipboard. You can do this by right-clicking on the image and selecting Copy, or you could use your keyboard shortcuts to achieve this. Next, open a new Word document. This will be your workspace for setting up your signature layout. Once you have the Word document open, paste your image directly onto the page. Alongside your image, you might want to include some personal details, like your name, job title, or contact information. Get creative and design the signature that truly reflects your personality or brand. When you're happy with how it looks, select both the image and the text by highlighting everything together. Once everything is highlighted, copy this entire section. With the copied content ready, head over to your Yahoo email account. If you're not already logged in, now is the time to do so. As soon as you're in your inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on it to proceed. From the settings menu, select the option titled More Settings. This will open a new menu with different categories on the left-hand side. Look for the category labeled Writing Email and click on it. This section allows you to customize the appearance and functionality of your outgoing emails. Now scroll down until you reach the Signature section. This is where the magic happens. First, ensure that your email signature feature is activated. You'll spot a switch or toggle in this section, and it needs to be turned on to enable the use of a custom signature. Once it's activated, you'll see a text box intended for your signature. Click inside this box to activate your cursor there, and paste the image and text combination you copied from your Word document. This action will embed your ready-to-go signature into Yahoo Mail. And that's it. Your emails will now carry your personalized touch or professional image each time you send them out. To ensure everything looks as expected, it's always a good idea to test it by sending an email to yourself or a friend. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly enhanced email signature.